Okay, lastly, we are going to utilize the Kuder-Richardson formula. So administer the test scores once, score total test, and apply the Kuder-Richardson formula. The Kuder-Richardson formula is applicable only in a situation where student responses are scored dichotomously and therefore is most useful in with traditional test items that are scored as right or wrong. So, yung magagamit natin yung Kuder-Richardson para sa mga test na right or wrong lang ang sagot, or we have the right and unright answer, or incorrect or correct answer. So for example, dito is yung mga spelling tests, the true or false, and etc. So the KR20 estimates of reliability that provides information about the degree or to which the items in the test measure the same characteristics. It is an assumption that all items are of equal difficulty. A statistical procedure used to estimate is coefficient alpha. A correlation coefficient is given. So we have here the formula of the Kuder-Richardson. So we have KR20 is equal to K divided by K minus 1. 1 minus summation of PQ and the standard deviation, or the coefficient alpha, where the number of K is the number of items in the test. This na yun. Okay, this symbol is, or the alpha stands for the standard deviation. P is the proportion of examinees who got the item correctly. Q, the proportion of examinees who got the item incorrectly. So we have here the table. So consider a test of 60 items administered to 32 students. So we have here, okay, punta tayo sa ating spreadsheet. So ito na yun. So ito yung summation ng mga scores ng 32 students, at ito rin yung summation ng x squared, or score ng mga 32 students, ni-raise siya into the power of 2. Okay. Meron na tayong data about the x squared. So ito na yung summation niya, at ito na rin yung mga data ng every student's scores raised to the power of 2. Okay, to compute the reliability of a test using Kuder-Richardson formula 20, determine the standard deviation and the summation PQ. So ito, confusing ito siya pero challenging. Okay, item. So we have 60 items, di ba? Okay, 60 items. So, sa item number 1, may nakatama na 15. So we have the P. Proportion ito ha, proportion ng mga nakatama who got the item correctly. So 15. So ang nakatama is P, 25. So by doing this, you can use 15 divided by the total number of test item. So we have here the 0.25 para ma-determine ninyo kung ilan yung students, ay proportion ng student na nakatama sa item. So sa item 1 we have 15, so may nakatama na 0.25 as proportion, and yung 0.75 ay hindi nakatama. So by doing that, 1 minus 0.25. So 0.75 yung dito. And after that, i-times mo yung result dito at ang result dito. So 0.25 multiplied by 0.75, we have 0.1875. Ito yun siya. Okay, mahaba-haba to siya guys, so you can use the the spreadsheet para mas madali. Okay, ito na yung summation ng PQ. So ito yung summation ng PQ. Ito hindi na natin ito kailangan. Itong P and 1 minus P. So ito lang PQ. So una nating gagawin, to get the standard deviation, use this formula. So ito yung ating gagamitin kapag kukunin natin ang standard deviation. Kasi sa Kuder-Richardson, dapat merong standard deviation. So we have here the square root of x, summation of x squared minus the quotient of summation of x raised to the power of 2 and n. So we have here atin i-substitute na natin. So x squared, punta tayo sa ibabaw. Okay, ito x squared. Then minus by 614. 614 is our summation of x. 614 raised to the power of 2. Ito na yung answer niya. So 32, the total number of examinee, and 32 minus 1. Okay, 13,090. So ito minus 1178.125. So ito yung sagot. Tapos 31 na lang ito, 31. Kasi 32 minus 1 is 31. And 1380.875 divided by 31, we have 42.2217. Tapos gagamitin na natin yung square root. So square root of 42.2217, we have 6.4978 or 6.50. It is our standard deviation. It is the standard deviation. So after that, gagamitin na natin yung formula ni Kuder at Richardson. So the solution of the reliability using the Kuder-Richardson formula 20. So KR20. So K is the number of items. Am I right? Okay, K is the number of items. Okay, K. Number of items. So palitan na natin yung K ng 60. 60 minus 1. 1 minus 96112. It is the summation PQ. Okay, that is a summation PQ. Okay, 60 minus 1. So we have 1.0169 here. Minus okay. 1 minus 0.2274. We have here the 0.7725. So multiply natin itong 1.0169 to 0.7725. So we have here the KR20 0.7856 or just simply 0.79. So it can be rounded off because 75 man dito. So it can be rounded off to 0.79. So this is our our correlation coefficient using the alpha coefficient or the standard deviation. The KR20 value is 0.79, denotes a high reliability. Hence, the test is very good for a classroom test. So guys, if you have any concerns about our topic, you can send a personal message in my messenger account. So this is the end of our lesson. I hope guys you understand. And God bless. Thank you.